Good morning, everybody. So here is Module 6, Lesson 5, Tower of Power. In this lesson, you're going to be doing hundredths and showing them in different forms. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to shade 3 100ths. That means there's 100 boxes here. So we're going to shade 3 of them. Okay. Then, what do we know is 3 hundredths? How do we write that as a decimal? Well, when we wrote tenths, we wrote it like this. But now with hundredths, that's the 10th spot. So there's 0 tenths, but there's 3 hundredths. So the 3 has to be in a different spot. Now it says shade the area model to show how many hundredths are equivalent to 2 tenths. Well, if we look here, here's 2 tenths because there's 10 spots or the 10 columns, and there's 2 shaded. So if I shade that one, that's the first one. Here's another one. So that looks about the same. So how many did I shade? I shaded 20 pieces out of 100 pieces. Okay? So 2 tenths is the same as 20 100ths. They're equal to each other. Okay? 2 tenths can be written as this. We learned that in the last few lessons. 20 100ths, remember it's hundredths, so it's 20 and then hundredths. This down here, yeah, that's in the 200ths. That would be the hundredths, but that would be 2 hundredths, not 20 hundredths. So now let's look at this one. 21 hundredths. So I know that one of these is 10. Another one is another 10. That makes 20. And then one more. So there's 21. Okay? Now, fraction form would be 21 out of 100 because there's 21 pieces shaded out of 100. The decimal form, again, 0.21, 21 hundredths. And that is it. So if you have any questions, you can ask. I'm going to go ahead and do the bonus real quick for you so you can see how that is. Maybe there's an extra question for us. Okay. And then that way it'll help you a little bit more. 52 hundredths. Remember, that means 52 pieces out of 100 pieces. And how do I write that as a decimal? 0 point, well, we know there's a decimal point, and it's 52 hundredths. How would I do 2 hundredths? 2 out of 100. And if you think about it, this would be 0 point. Now, if I put this, that would be 2 tenths. I don't have any tenths. I only have 2 hundredths. So it would be 0.02. Okay? All right, I hope that makes sense. Bye.